Nikhil, bro, come fast, okay? That's on go to watch.
Literally going on the end of the. It's a steady land.
Watchtower. Here, okay, you have to be very careful, okay? Anywhere people will be there. But here, very rare people are there. But there are some pros who come here. Oh my god, there's a guy landed near me. Nikhil, come here, I'll give you gun.
I have go. Give me. Give me something, bro. Poop.
Pooh? Are you calling your brother a pooh? He's not a pooh.
Shit, somebody took this thing.
Oh, someone's coming here, Nikhil, help me. Somebody's coming here.
Two people are coming here. Yeah, let's go.
Oh my god, someone's parachuting over here. Natty, help.
I don't have any gun, please.
Yeah, shoot again in the base. I can't move, bro. It's right.
Move.
Poop guys, light it, bro. Idiot there.
Oh my god, two people are there.
I know, bro. Who did one guy?
I killed him. What happened? Oh my gosh, help. Help. I killed a 25. Nikhil, come fast.
Yeah, coming.
I'm hiding behind this thingy that she doesn't kill.
Where is she?
Come inside this tenty thingy and revive me. This is red blocky thingy.
She's over here. Whoa. Fine.
Come inside the red blocky thingy. Come red blocky thingy. Red blocky thingy, yeah.
Yeah, not even. I'm telling you.
Natty, where are you, bro? I'm inside this red blocky thingy.
I'm right next to you.
Hey, I'm inside this thingy.
Yes, bro, we got it.
Don't move, then.
Hey, Nikhil, stop coming inside.
Now you are blocking me. Now I me.
Yeah, stop moving.
Yeah, let him move and let you all.
Neil, you're moving, yaar.
Let me all die.
Come inside this thingy. Come inside this blocky thingy, bro. Oh, some snipers, bro. That's what I'm telling. Two people are coming now. Both the girls are coming. Hey, stop ranking. Guess that. Yeah, let's go. This Nikhil is a no-bully, man. This Nikhil took all the loot also, bro. It's a freaking bot. Nikhil, where's the legendary? Give me legendary AK-47.
No, I'm legendary.
Yeah, bro, don't say like.
Come now. Come.
What other legendary you have?
Come here. I made a down floor over there. Come up.
I'm going down here, okay? It's safe.
Come, bro. Where are you? I tell you, come. Not even coming.
Come down. Came down, no? The pro boss gets the pro guns.
Take that,
Take this gun, Nikhil.
Thanks.
Is this a legendary? Oh no, it's not a legendary.
Let's go, we're sliding.
Someone shooting me.
Yeah, come.
You heard the shooting sound also, no? Dun.
Yeah, come up the roof floor of my house.
No, bro, I already reached the down place.
Yeah, come here. Legendary shotgun. Yeah, come here.
Don't have time, bro. You will do your
I'll
thing.
this thing, crystal, bro.
Pistol, then come. I'll come.
Crystal.
Crystal, then I don't know.
I'm using it, that's why you're coming or not? Coming or not?
No, I'm not coming. Hey! This guy, bro, this Dark Lucy, I want all the loot. I'll break open the chest fast and I'll take the loot also. Failure.
Bro, there's purple shotgun here.
What, anyone wants to?
Purple shotgun.
Anyone wants to what?
Take it and take it.
First time I'm trying out for the AK-47 green.
1% green is also there.
Now, AK-47 green. First time I got the gun. Like, not yesterday, I got, but I didn't use it.
Bro, look at my color. I have orange color, purple color, blue color, green color, white color. All colors. I have not double colors. I have all colors.
I have a orange color, purple color, green color, no blue color, no white, no white, no green color, no blue color, and no one was there, no white color.
Oh, someone's shooting me.
Stop lying.
Shit, bro, seriously, I don't know why it came here.
You guys are where and I am where. Such failures.
Yeah.
Left me and went.
See here, I told you something. I eliminated, but why didn't I get the defeat?
No, you didn't knock him. No, if you knock him only, then you will get the
He
defeat.
equal chances with me. I got abandoned that. I thought Nati's over there. Like,
I was trying to go on top of that mountain there.
People choose you only now. Nobody else. Because they think you are very bored.
Very bored. Oh my gosh! Nobody tried the tower.
That's what I'm trying to go.
Tower. I'm telling you.
Yeah, tower and
Nihal.
Don't come.
You have pistol.
Yeah, bro, I won't.
bro, and insufficient building will be.
Oh my gosh! I'm running to the zone. Only I am left outside. I'm coming. I'm outside, but no.
Oh my god, AWP. Come, anybody want? Purple. Nihal, come here. I have pistol for you.
Nadi. You want to sit?
No, I want to go on top of that stone thing.
Come, I'll take you to the car.
No, I want to go on top of there.
Then you climb over.
But the zone is coming.
Bro, come, climb it, come.
I'm climbing with the car. And you can see that?
What the? Bro, I made it. Stop taking a load down.
Let's go. I climbed with the car. Let's go. Somebody made this thingy. Somebody made this.
I made.
Yeah, thank you. I climbed this
Nadi,
thingy.
come. Go. She has. What? I don't even have.
I was just scared. I had to go and take it again, but I finished my building. Then I saw people.
Whoa, you took that one also, bro.
There's nothing there.
You took that before. I broke the after, like, you know, behind you. There was one more.
Nikhil, give me no.
Green or blue is bigger.
Blue there.
Okay, let's go down there.
Yeah, pistol.
Yeah, this one.
Here. Take. Pistol.
I care about
Nikhil, you want gog bullets?
Yeah, bro, so much.
Check.
Bullet, bro.
Did someone go to the watchtower?
Nice.
Did you go to the
Gog,
watchtower?
legendary Gog hat. Huh?
You went to the watchtower? Did anybody go to the watchtower?
We are all in watchtower only.
That's so.
I mean like the tower in watchtower.
No. Don't go also, bro.
Enemies?
Not enemies, bro. It's zone. It's zone covered. Nikhil Champ, come.
Where are you?
Oh, look at that.
There's some shooting going on.
Then go straight. Say Lucia, bro. Dark is bro.
There's some shooting going on. I was trying to go.
What, Nikhil? We are on that. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I fell on that guy. Oh my god. Are you kidding me, Nikhil? Get down. I fell on that guy. Nikhil, you saw, right?
Where are you?
Oh my god, someone shooting. Shit! Kill him, Nikhil, please. Good one. Come, help. Bro, please help me first, please help me. Help me, bro, help me, please. I was so scared.
I'm the scared too.
I like darkness.
Daddy didn't come here.
That's so, bro. Nikhil, let me get that loot, bro, please. I want some.
No, please. No, please. Arey, yaar, I'm giving you all the loot over here. Take blue shotgun, bro. Take nice shit.
Bro, I gave all the bullets, no.
You took the bullets again, bro. You have still the bullets, no? Can you...
Shit, after the zone is covering.
Shit, Neil! No. I'm taking this car and coming. There's 80%. I'll just take it. Let's go.
Bro, there was a this thing, no? Like there was a Lamborghini somewhere here, right? Yeah, there. Nikhil got the Lamborghini.
Yeah, come with Lamborghini, bro. I'm coming with you.
But that was epic, no? I jumped on that guy and my scooter fell on that guy. 47 it went.
Oh. Yeah, come here.
I'm picking Dark Lucia and Nikhil the champ.
Okay, I will pick everybody coming with separate card except for Dark Lucia. Okay, Dark Lucia. Look, I'm having with the scooter. Nati is having with Lamborghini and Nia is having with Lamborghini. Nice, no? Lamborghini. 23 people remain.
There's a dumb buggy over there.
Where is Nati riding?
It's nice with the extra.
Nari, Nikhil, I want the charger, bro. Give.
Oh shit! This place has a lot of people.
Yeah, bro, don't go front.
Shit.
Oh my gosh. OMG. Shit. They're building so.
They are pros.
They're pros.
Hey, behind there's a guy behind Nikhil, help me.
Nikhil, help me already? There.
Oh my gosh, help me. This guy over here, bro. Come here, Nikhil here. Hold on, come. Take all the loot and help me fast. Help me.
Oh shit, sorry.
What the hell is that?
I'm going to save him, bro.
This guy, Nikhil there. That's it. Okay, you run away.
I'm going to save him, bro.
Save who?
I'm going to save Niyal, bro.
Save first.
I'm going to save him.
There's a reboot center.
I'm going somewhere and rebooting him.
There's a little
I have to reboot him.
Boost.
He's killing me.
Shit, 10 plays left. Niyal, while I reboot you, go straight in the zone, okay?
Yeah, I'm going.
Nikhil is not shooting over there. I don't know what is happening.
Jल्दी, Nikhil, go fast.
Air track is summoned.
Nikhil, you have agency seat, no?
No, I don't have.
Arey, yaar.
You go, bro, you go. You enter the zone. I know, but I have super shield. I can manage everything. I have a car also here. Niyal, go to your place, okay? Everyone guns, you come to me.
No.
You go. If you want GOG, you come to me.
AK-47 of yours?
Yeah. Can you give me my guns back, bro?
I just
Whatever you want, I'll give because I basically took it because while collecting I took the boot card. No, I basically took it.
Oh, what is shooting
Entered.
Done. I gave all the guns back.
Where are you? Bro, to whom you gave, bro?
Where you kept? There only I took.
Bro, enter the zone, Nati.
I came to give your stuff.
No, leave it. Come.
I kept legendary AK-47 back.
Then you take.
Bro, I have 100 HP.
Bro, I didn't know where it was, bro. You should.
You talk and like you know where it is. So I felt bad. I thought maybe you wanted things back.
Bro, you come to me and give. No, I don't keep it on the place.
3 such a bot, cheese.
Oh,
You
yeah.
come in the zone.
Oh my gosh, we kill it.
Hello, no, you have a gun?
No, bro, I will XM8.
You take AK version over here. Come.
Thanks.
Come. I'll give you bullets.
Loot here.
Take.
Thanks, bro.
No, take.
Dark Lucy is dying.
Dying, no, sorry.
Where is she?
Oh shit, I'm sorry. Then we'll go?
You want to go?
Bro, he's a pro, bro. I don't want to go. But I don't want that. After have to go also. There, Daniel.
Oh my gosh. Leave it, bro. Chuck it. No, bro, don't. We cannot reboot that game, bro. Leave it.
Yeah.
Natty, can you give my guns back?
I didn't take anything. The shooting was on your guys. So where shooting?
Don't break me, all.
Why?
No, that guy will come, bro. Shit.
How can he hear, bro?
You can hear any break, any shooting thingy, bro.
No, bro. Only when cars are breaking. Like,
What's wrong with my gun?
Nadi, don't do auto fire. Do have destructor in hand. Destructor in hand.
Why destructor?
Because then you will not. You will shooting always. Don't have destructor in hand, so then you can't shoot. You
No,
shoot.
I was actually shooting somebody because that was an open airdrop.
Then shoot him. No.
I couldn't.
shot him already dead also, I think.
Yeah, where are you going then?
My chest is over here, bro.
Shit.
Oh, someone shooting me.
Oh.
Nihan.
Me?
Bro, someone parachuted there.
Oh my gosh. Somebody help me.
I just want to collect wood, bro. Wood, yeah.
I collected it, bro. I'm coming back to you, guys. Just save me.
He'll come up the mountain.
No, bro. It go down now. Zone is going. I came up.
Follow me. I have a cool place.
Put a vegetation seed or something, bro. We'll all be safe.
No. You follow me. I have a cool place. No need of doing as you simply wasting.
What cool place? Stand over here or what? Cool place it seems.
Where is Nikhil?
Come, follow me. I'm going.
Where you're not going, only you're standing over here.
Shit. Marco died. Marco killed. Shit, I want Marco to die. Oh my god, they are pros, bro. Freaking. Look at that building over there they made.
Where are you taking me?
Come, let's go. Where? Who's shooting?
That's what I was asking. Oh my god, there, Nikhil. Oops, you know.
Pistol shots! Freaking pistol shots! I'm hiding, bro. She has pistol. I don't have anything. Nadi, come down. Oh my god.
Shit, Nadi died.
No, I didn't die yet. Shoot some guy.
You died, bro.
No, 50 HP.
Nikhil, give me no, please.
40, 30, I'm dying.
Bro, 10 HP is going, no?
Yeah. Stop the guy dying. Bro, there are 2 floors here.
Oh my gosh, very less HP, bro. Oh my gosh, I also knocked down.
Second. Oh my god, how can you replay? Look at his teammate, okay? Look at his teammate, look. Look, after he killed you, then after he knocked Nihal. Look.
Guys, we came second,
But then I
guys.
didn't shoot him after that. Then this girl shot him. I was like, what?
We came second, guys. In the
Defeats. Defeats.
see, guys, you can see that it's 2 defeats, and that's cool, guys. It's 5 defeats. Dark Lucia did one, so totally the whole team did 12 kills. See you guys in the next video. Peace.